I'm Angela Martindale, founder of Transform, and we have put together an incredible partnership with Odyssey House and Transform Studios. And the reason why we are doing that is, first of all, I have a story. All of us are definitely afflicted and definitely know somebody who has either been addicted or affected by drugs and alcohol.
Odyssey House is a long-term drug and alcohol treatment center. You know, it's different from any other treatment center I've ever tried because it's more than just a treatment center. They actually try to work on you as a person and try to make you a successful part of the community. Whereas some of the other treatment centers I've been in, they're more focused on a clean you way. You know, that's one thing that I've got from this program is I've actually learned how to be a healthy part of society instead of just someone sober.
I came to Susie Conjance in October while we were on a Transform cruise in the Caribbean, and I said to her, I really want to align Transform with a great foundation and a great charity, and they have to have the same mission as Transform, and they have to be willing to help people and to serve people.
Some other fruits of this partnership will be the adult roles and the mentorship that Angela's group and the partnership, I think, will offer the clients, and it's something that we haven't really done, but we're ushering that phase of Odyssey in.
The exercise for me, I think, is a very good idea. You know, because at least in my old lifestyle, that was the last thing on my mind, was eating healthy, working out, you know, staying in a healthy state of mind, you know, physically and mentally.
I see it time and time again. You know, a client will come out of the program and they're an excellent person. They've changed themselves around. The way that they have relationships with their family, the way that they have a relationship with themselves. However, oftentimes they've come out overweight. Like Eric had identified, methamphetamine use or heroin use can really deteriorate someone's body. And then when they start eating 3 square meals a day, in addition to not having too much physical exercise, really even the opportunity for much physical exercise, that starts building on them. And oftentimes they leave the program overweight and what could be deemed as clinically overweight.
Mainly we started out thinking about the mentoring aspects of it. Obviously what Angela does so well is teach people about the benefits of health and nutrition. So there's a whole track that's designed to give the residents information to help them make healthy lifestyle choices and really understand how those choices impact their body.
The mentoring aspect is something that I was really excited about because so many times I remember that clients would come up to me and they'd ask me, hey, you know, what do you think about this resume? And I'd personally look it over, and it's nothing an employer would really take seriously at that point. The skills that they had were amazing, but the ability in which to deliver them wasn't there. And so having this mentoring where they can be taught how to interview, they can be taught how to do resumes, they can be given these type of skills are invaluable. I mean, they're perfect, and it's such a good combination to not only get them good health and good physical health while they're here, but also set a plan for after and also get them the job that they're looking for, which is a necessary component to long-term sobriety.